Alright everyone, today we're going to be installing the Lamin-x protective films, headlight covers, and fog light covers on the Subaru Baja. Inside the box you'll find the trim tool, the sprayer for filtered water, a sticker, the headlight covers, fog light covers, and a squeegee. Before we install the covers, we apply some scratch out to restore the headlights. Wash the headlight assembly 2 to 3 times with clean water. Use the sprayer that came in the box to spray a light mist on the lens. Be sure to use filtered water. Hold on the tabs when peeling off the liner. Lightly mist the adhesive side of your new Lamin-x cover. Hold the tabs on either side of the cover to align it. If you're not satisfied with the positioning, you can pull the film back up. You can do this as many times as you need, just be sure not to stretch it. If your headlight has difficult bends, you can use a dryer. Just maintain a safe distance so you don't burn the film. After the application, if you find that there's some cloudiness under the lens, don't fret. This is just moisture that's trapped under the lens, and it should dissipate within a few weeks. The fog light guards twist right off. use the provided trim tool to remove the tabs. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.